Customize how VoiceOver on your iPhone pronounces certain words, so they sound just how you'd like them to sound. To get started, you can use Siri to bring you to the right place. Just say, "Hey Siri, open VoiceOver Settings."
Let's take a look at the VoiceOver settings.
Now, we'll use VoiceOver gestures to navigate through the settings menu. Swipe right until you move to speech.
VoiceOver, VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks. Tap once to select, double tap to active. Learn more. Link. VoiceOver practice. Speaking rate, 5th speech button.
Then double tap anywhere on the screen to activate it. Next, swipe right until you move to pronunciations
button.
Then double tap to activate it. Let's add a new word. If your pronunciations list is empty, swipe right until you move to the Add button. Or swipe left until you move to the Add button if there are existing pronunciations in your list.
Add button.
Then double tap to activate it. Now, enter the word or phrase you'd like to customize.
Cap L E A H.
When you're done, tap near the top of the screen with 4 fingers to select the first item on the screen. If you want to type out your own pronunciation, swipe right until you move to Substitution, and then double tap to activate it.
Replacement. Play button. Phrase. Text substitution. Text field.
To use dictation instead, swipe right to move to the Dictate Replacement button.
Dictate replacement button.
Double tap to activate it, and then say the word or phrase as you'd like it to be pronounced by VoiceOver. Leia. If you get multiple results, you can swipe left or right through the list to hear each one.
Cancel button. Leah. Heading done button. Leia.
When you find the one you want to keep, double tap to set it.
Selected. Leia.
Then swipe left until you move to Done.
Leia. Done button.
And double tap to activate it. To review or edit your list of customized words, swipe left until you move to Back.
Play button. Replacement. Heading back button.
And double tap to activate it. You can then swipe through your words list to hear each one if you like. And that's how to customize words in VoiceOver. Whether it's a name, a landmark, or any other word, your iPhone can pronounce it however you'd like. For more information about the accessibility features on your iPhone, subscribe to the Apple Support channel, or click another video to keep learning.